Hello, today I want to break the monotony and I just want to show in a short video how you can apply a university course with the COOPS. So COOPS is the organization responsible for the placement of the students to the further education institutions. So what you do is very simple. You choose any browser, a smartphone or a desktop or a laptop. So let's say Chrome. This one is Chrome. So when you go to Chrome, what you do is that or let's just go to Google. Go to Google and then search COOPS. Search COOPS portal. COOPS portal. After you search that, you go to student login, and then at the student login you will be taken to a site where KCSE index number, year of the examination, year of the KCSE, and password, either KCP index number or birth certificate number. So what do? You so this is what I mean. See this is what I mean. So there you feed the credentials. So after feeding the credentials, you log in. After you log in, you'll be able to update personal information, the email, the contact number, and maybe the parents' information and your personal information. And after that, what you do is that you submit. After submission, now you can proceed to choose the programs or the courses that can be offered for you by the KUSUPS and the ones you qualify for, because you are going to get even the ones that you are not qualified for. So you definitely go for the one you qualified for. After you find out the ones you qualified for, make sure you add them to the basket. Basket is a place where you add the courses you wish to take and the ones you've qualified for. After you add them to the basket, now you can proceed to doing the applications. You apply the first option, second option, and third. After that, you submit. Then there is a payment you made directly to the COOPS. Then after that, you proceed to verify the payment, and you will have completed your application process. But make sure you are keen on the courses that you do. I think it's that simple, guys. So I just try to break that monotony. Plus it's been long since we interacted here, guys. But hope we'll just get back to what we've always loved, politics. Thank you for now, guys.